Welcome to English Improve. Certainly. Here are 20 food-related vocabulary words with sentences, meanings, and examples. Apple. Meaning a round fruit with red or green skin and a whitish interior. Example, she packed a juicy red apple in her lunch. Burger. Meaning a sandwich consisting of a cooked meat patty in a bun. Example, he ordered a cheeseburger and fries for dinner. Pizza. Meaning a round, open-faced baked pie with various toppings. Example, we shared a large pepperoni pizza at the party. Salad. Meaning a mixture of vegetables, usually served with a dressing. Example, she prepared a fresh green salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. Ice cream. Meaning a frozen dessert made from dairy products. Example, the children enjoyed vanilla ice cream after dinner. Chocolate. Meaning a sweet, brown food made from roasted cacao seeds. Example, she gave her friend a box of assorted chocolates for her birthday. Pasta. Meaning Italian dish consisting of dough made from durum wheat and water. Example, he cooked spaghetti, his favorite type of pasta, for dinner. Soup. Meaning a liquid dish, typically made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables. Example, she prepared a hearty chicken soup for her sick friend. Sandwich. Meaning a food item consisting of 2 slices of bread with a filling. Example, he had a turkey and cheese sandwich for lunch. Orange. Meaning a citrus fruit with a tough, bright orange rind. Example, she peeled the orange and shared the segments with her friends. rice. Meaning small grains from a plant, often used as a staple food. Example, he served curry with steamed rice for dinner. Cheese. Meaning a dairy product made from curdled milk. Example, the cheese platter included various types of cheese like cheddar and brie. Bread. Meaning a staple food prepared by baking dough of flour and water. Example, she made toast with butter and jam for breakfast using whole wheat bread. Banana. Meaning a long, curved fruit with a yellow skin. Example, he grabbed a banana as a quick snack before heading to the gym. Fish. Meaning an aquatic animal, often used for food. Example, she ordered grilled salmon, her favorite type of fish, at the restaurant. Cake. Meaning a sweet baked dessert, often with frosting and decorations. Example, they celebrated the birthday with a delicious chocolate cake. Egg. Meaning the oval reproductive body of a bird. Example, she made scrambled eggs for breakfast and served them with toast. Coffee. Meaning a brewed beverage made from roasted coffee beans. Example, he enjoys a cup of black coffee every morning to start his day. Tea. Meaning a hot beverage made by steeping tea leaves in water. Example, she prefers green tea with honey for its health benefits. Milk. Meaning a white liquid produced by mammary glands of mammals. Example, the toddler drank a glass of warm milk before bedtime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.